What is one thing we do with numbers regularly? We count. So 1 in the world of imagination also represents a single unit of counting. Let us imagine bringing the unit from the world of imagination into the normal world and putting them over things. When we imagine it to put it over things, we count. Let's practice counting. The one imagined to be put over this banana is 1 banana. The same goes for 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas, and so on. So we can apply the unit to a thing and then count how many there are of this thing. A unit has no specific form, which means that we can form the unit as we like. For example, it can be applied to something like a football. And it can also be applied to a group of things, like 4 footballs, or a group of people. Then we call the group a unit. Because the unit is immaterial, it only exists in our imaginary world. Immaterial means that it does not exist in the real world, the material world, and it lacks matter. Therefore, you cannot grasp it, smell it, or see it. So basically, you cannot experience it except by imagining it. So if we have 5 bananas in the real world, we can apply a unit over them with our thoughts and call them a unit. In our imaginary world, it is a unit. But in the real world, it is just 5 bananas. And the same thing goes for anything we call a unit. However, we need to see the difference between applying a unit over every single banana and a unit over multiple bananas. The difference is that these 5 bananas are one whole unit. But for these 5 bananas, they are 5 separate units. It is only in our imagination that we can decide this. And why do we need to be able to separate these units from each other? Well, if Epapa is going to the store and on his grocery list it says 5 bananas, then he knows that it means that every banana represents 1 unit. But if it says 5 bunches of bananas, then it means that every bunch is 1 unit.